We now have a more powerful way to create and send emails right inside ChildPilot. Administrators have always been able to send emails from ChildPilot, but now you can do it with more flexibility, more polish, and more control, while keeping everything in one place. To get started, go to the Families tab. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see Message Families and blue text. Click on that and a pop-up window will appear. Then click on the Email sub-tab. To create or use a template, click on the ChildPilot Mail Templates button. You will then see a list of templates, including default templates, recent templates you've used, seasonal templates, and ChildPilot preset emails. The ChildPilot preset emails are email campaign letters that have been pre-made by ChildPilot to include all of your info within the email campaign. These include templates such as the parent portal invite, employee invite, inquiry confirmation, still interested, default marketing template, payment receipt, and the invoice reminder template. When you click on one of these templates, you will be able to add or change any images, text, or the general layout of the template. However, do not change any of the information that's in the brackets highlighted, since those were made to automatically add certain information such as your company name, your center information, or the recipient's name. To make your own template, go back to the templates and click the Add Blank Template button. From there, you can customize your own email template to use for your current email campaign or for future email campaigns. Now let's go over the tools that you can use to customize your email campaign within the ChildPilot system. For example, here's a template I made. To set the background for the email campaign, go to the Background sub-tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you can choose a background color or add a background image. You can also adjust the background image transparency. I chose 100%. Next, you'll notice this email campaign includes multiple rows that can be edited by clicking directly on them. To add a new row, click the Add New Row button at the bottom. Then click on that row to add content blocks. You can add text, an image, a button, a divider/spacer, or an HTML block. To delete a row, click on the row you want to delete and select the red trash can icon to the right of it. Confirm you want to delete, and that row will be removed. When clicking on a row, you can also move the row up or down using the Move Down or Move Up icons on the right-hand side. You can also adjust row settings by clicking on the Row Settings icon, where you can add columns to a row. If you click on a row with text in it, you will be able to customize the font, make the text bigger or smaller, change the font color, and add a link, an email link, a phone number, or a mapped field. For each row, you can also adjust the margin, padding, and borders. This includes changing the border color, the border radius, or even adding a background color to that row. To undo anything you've done, click the Undo button until you return to the version you want. Once you're finished customizing your template, you can add or change the template name, and then preview it by clicking the eye icon. You can also view the mobile version by clicking the mobile icon. From here, you can save the template, copy the template, and when you're ready, click Finish and Email. As you can see, the campaign has been added to my email. I can now add an email subject line, attach additional files or images by clicking Attach Files and Images, or schedule my message by checking the Send Message Later box. Next, choose which recipients you want to send the campaign to, such as family recipients, employee recipients, or inquiry/lead recipients. For example, click Select Family Recipients, and from there, choose which family members you think should receive the email campaign. If you'd like to select everyone, click the Select All box. Then click Choose on the top right-hand corner, and those recipients will be selected. To send through all message channels, such as the app portal, email, and text, check the box that says Send through all message channels. To finish this email campaign, click the Send Now button. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact your designated customer support representative or email support@childpilot.com.